Hey Logan, what's up, man? My name's Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and Jamelia went ahead and gave me this email and told me to forward this on to you. So, in this quick video, I'm just going to show you 3 tips and tricks that you guys can use to start outranking some of your competition online. So, when you type in HVAC services in Denver, here's what comes up on Google, and we can talk about some of these things, but I'll focus on this map pack right here in a bit. But for now, I'm going to focus on this organic search right here. So I'm not going to use Angie's List or Yelp. I'm just going to use this company right here, Service Experts Denver. And I'm going to show you what they're doing to allow them to be on this front page, okay? And, you're probably wondering why I'm even filming this for you guys in the first place. And I'm just trying to add value to some small business owners here in Q4 going into 2023. And a lot of people take this information, and you've got really 2 options. You can kind of run with this yourself if this is something you guys have been thinking about doing, or you can give me a call if you have feedback or any questions or concerns, and I'd be happy to see what I can do about helping you guys out with this. Either way, it's up to you. It's totally okay with me, whichever way you decide. I'm just trying to add some value, and I hope you get something out of this, okay? So it'll be quick. I'm just going to go over 3 things with you. Number 1, content. Number 2, backlinks. And number 3, citations. So here's your guys' website. It looks good. I like it. I like your logo. I like everything about it. It seems like it's serving, mostly like a digital business card. However, and it's not really driving traffic to you guys. So let me show you what I mean. So, when it comes to websites, content is very important, but what's in the content is even more important. So the more content you have on your website with sub pages, the better. And you want to fill up your content with what we call buyer intent keywords. So a buyer intent keyword is anything that somebody might type into Google when they're searching for your services. So for example, AC repair in Denver, AC replacement in Denver. So these are things we need to place into your website. So I pulled up this is what we call Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but you can use free tools. And here's your website domain, and I've searched this, and it shows that you guys currently have 0 keywords, as well as 0 backlinks. Okay, so that leads me to believe that I was correct about this purely just being a digital business card, which is okay. But if you guys are looking to get more business and you want people finding your website, then there's a lot of room for growth on here. So let me show you what this company is doing, Service Experts Heating and Air. So their website is large. They have a lot of pages, and they have a lot of content with keywords all throughout here. So here's their analytics. They've got 1,600 keywords throughout their website, and it's helping drive in just shy of 1,000 views on their website per month. So that leads to a lot of phone calls and a lot of business to be made. And you guys don't have any keywords with 0 organic traffic. So that's part of the reason. That's how some of these companies get up on the front page of Google, because of the keywords that they use. So let me explain this real quick. You just need to get in here, figure out what keywords they're ranking for, use all the same ones. They've done the hard work for you already. You just need to use these keywords and more of them with other services and other locations. So for example, Denver HVAC repair. This gets 150 searches per month, and they're currently ranked number 4. Service Experts Denver, they're ranked 1, but that's because that's what their business name is. Anyways, you kind of get the idea. When people search these and they're ranked in these high positions, they're going to show up on Google. And that's why, because they have all these keywords planted throughout their website. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. You guys don't have any backlinks. These guys have quite a few backlinks. I think it was just shy of 2,000 backlinks. So what a backlink is, it's any other website that links back to yours that drives traffic to you. So these could be blogs, they could be a number of things, but again, they've done the hard work for you. You need to figure out what backlinks they have that are trustworthy and relevant, and get yourself the same backlinks and even more. beat out what they're doing. If these keywords and these backlinks are good enough to rank them number 3 on Google behind Yelp and Angie's List, then it's good enough for you guys. You just have to get into the game and get some backlinks. Okay, so that's number 2. And the third thing I want to talk to you about is how to get into this map pack right here. So this comes down to citations. So you want to have as many citations as possible. And what a citation is, it's any place that you can list your business name, address, and phone number into a directory, basically. And that gives you a citation. So if Golden West Plumbing has 250 citations, you need to have at least 300 citations so that you can dominate them there. And then there's some other ways you can optimize your Google My Business profile, which will allow you to get into this map pack. So if you guys can do those 3 things, you will be well on your way to ranking and getting more organic traffic. Okay, so you can you can take this info and run with it. If you have feedback, I'd love to hear it. If you have questions or anything like that, I'm more than happy to answer some of those and see if it makes sense to work together. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I really appreciate your time, Logan. Have a great day, man.